Hi guys, it's good to go through the Pro Trading System results and give you a heads up where we are with those trades that have been happening over the last couple of months. Euro dollar here, we just got this short trend and it's pretty much red here, so we're losing about 6 pips on that signal. It's still early days on the euro dollar. But the big movers have been for 9 days on the Pro Trading System, our flagship trading system here at Trading College. The dollar yen is up 248 pips here. That's in 9 days. And you can see it's actually updating here in real time. You can see the numbers changing here in real time. This is the Pro Trading System updated P&L here in real time. So dollar yen, very nice indeed, making some handsome profits. That's 9 days, 246 pips profit. Got the euro yen here, 8 days, 126 pips profit. We've got a couple of smaller moves here on the Swissy and the euro sterling. Pound yen, it's been the yen pairs, 210 pips on pound yen. In fact, not just yen pairs, because if you take a little look at this currency, which is absolutely on fire at the moment, the Aussie dollar, 302 pips on the pound versus the Aussie dollar. Where is the euro Aussie? Alright, okay, so that one's euro Aussie is 122 pips, so it's sterling versus the Aussie that's up 300 pips in 9 days, 1 day longer than the euro Aussie. So great currency pairs to trade. Let's have a little look at the pound New Zealand. This is where we're getting the volatility, 267 pips in 9 days. So it certainly is. We've had green buy signals on the Pro Trading System on sterling here, and it's been making very nice profits indeed. In fact, pound US dollars only, as I said, just like the euro dollar, that's just losing 18 pips. 18 pips, guys, compared to 260, 300 pips profit. And these are swing trades, remember. So you're putting these trades on, let them run for several weeks. In fact, 9 to 10 days here. In fact, there's the New Zealand Swissy that's fired a short trade off 13 days ago. So volatility has been low in other currency pairs, but it's been the yen pairs down here that are absolutely flying, and they're the ones really that have been worth trading. You can see everything against the yen has been up and long, and you can see the majors here, a little bit indifferent. It's the dollar that's been stronger here. We've got the dollar CAD 9 days up 89 pips, but it's these yen pairs that are the real players and the big strong markets. The euro has been strong as well, but not against the British pound, of course, because the pound's been very strong indeed. All right, so yen pairs, hundreds and hundreds of pips profit here. Just since the Christmas break? 9 days ago. All right, guys, hope it helps. Speak to Chris or Tamazin in our trading offices. They give you all the information about our Pro Trader course. Dive onto that because you're missing out on some cracking swing trading profits here, and it's only going to get better as we start to really open up 2024 trading volatility and conditions. There's plenty of opportunities. Take care. Bye bye.